Everything we do at EF is driven by our mission of opening the world through education. And every day, we see that the life-changing benefits of educational travel are just as big for educators as they are for students. That's why our EF Global Education Symposium is designed to expand and enrich the impact of travel for everyone. We assembled the most exciting voices in global education, partner with pioneers who are pushing for new possibilities, and invite you to participate in a weekend of learning, collaboration, and connection, in person or online.
Tonight's keynote was phenomenal, and really for me just a reminder about why we are doing the work that we do as educators in terms of how we are preparing students for their future.
You're only as good as your network. And the collective efficacy of this group that has assembled here in Boston during this weekend is just infectious. I've learned so much from them. I thought I knew a lot.
We believe big ideas happen when educators come together, and that creating connections is the fastest way to bigger things. And we know when you gather here, or even here, you expand what's possible in the classroom and what a classroom can look like. Whether you travel to Boston or participate virtually with our global community, you'll hear keynotes that can unlock new ways to empower your students. Participate in breakout sessions that build up your travel program. Then step outside for cultural experiences of your own. Because we believe a hands-on approach deepens our grasp of experiential learning, turning potential into reality.
Symposium for me is about opportunity for everybody to travel, and we are the instrument to allow them to do that.
EF really supports that mission of students growing to be global citizens who are going to help make our world a better place to be, and so that's why I love partnering with Education First.
The EF Global Education Symposium opens global possibilities and gives you the tools to inspire what's next.